Rito here. I accidentally changed my YouTube channel name. It's Rito now. But today I'm gonna make a video just goofing around, just playing. And yes, I'm playing competitive too, so it might be hard, but let's see how many people are in this one. There's a lot. Dang, there's a lot of people. Alright, hold up. I need to find one with not so many people in it. That's not enough. Oh shoot, this is not good. This is actually not good. Go. Oh, that guy scared the crap out of me. They could be using mods. I don't know. Da-na-na-na. Black, I mean. I like only blue. There it is. Maybe I'll find. I just tagged black. Can I make this jump? No. You like plants rotting. Where'd he go? Buddy. I hate these monkey noises. These are so annoying. I'm the only one in here. Oh wait, this one doesn't have that much people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why do I have to be it though? Oh shit. Alright, guess I'm going. Never mind, I already got him. Come on, baby. Just tagged him. There's someone behind you. Oh, there he is. I feel like he's gonna. I thought he was gonna run. What the? Oh, he's all the way up. Hold up. Yeah. No. Alright, I'm back. Get him. Shoot. No. Whoop. And pink. Where the heck pink go? I booped you. Booped you right in the belly button, bro. Can't let that. Oh shoot! Hold up. You can't let that happen. Can't let that happen, bro. Okay. Let me get out of this. I swear, if I'm it again. Oh, shoot! Oh, I just got terrified. Are you stuck on the stupid tree branch? Are you kidding me? Can I pinch climb this? No. Not me. See, I have to force. Oh, shoot. Ooh. Oh, that guy's lost. Buddy, did you see where you're going? You're not on the highway. This guy went like the full circle, bro. He's like, oh, there he is. Tag. I tagged him, bro. I'm too good. No. I have an idea, but I can't get to it. I can't do that. Or can I? I'm telling you, it's weird, but it feels kind of smooth. Like these things, they're holding those. See what I'm at end this video at 8:30. By the way, this I got something in my eye. Oh.